Hey guys, check this out. I'll do a quick demo on the TC Electronics BG250112. This thing is an amazing bass amp for the price that I paid for, like I think barely $500 for a bass amp, which as far as bass amp stuff goes, it's pretty cheap, but this thing is amazing. It's got great volume, it's got amazing tone, the pretty cool features with the tone print. It's got 2 tone print selection channels for it. It's a great bass amp for a budget. I'm going to kind of go some sound demos out of it with my board and using a Squier Fender Jazz Bass 5-string. Sorry if it sounds a little crappy on the strings. I haven't changed strings in a while. Not play bass often, but still sound. You get the idea of some of the sounds. It's foot switchable, but if you don't have a foot switch like I do, that's actually compatible with it. You can buy a 3-button foot switch. I just so happen to have a foot switch that's compatible with it from my old Behringer 212 amp. So yeah, the tone prints I have before I start playing. First tone print is an overdrive, and the second one is a vibrato, which sounds really good. So here's a just clean tone from it. So you see, I barely got the volume cranked on this thing, and it's pretty decent volume for being indoor. I mean, I can crank it up just a smidge on the volume. Yeah, the volume is like 2. I got the gain up to like 3, which, you know, like all controls, they go up to 10. Just my tones a little bit on my. It's a 3-channel EQ contour. Your bass, middle, treble, basic stuff. Master volume, your 2 knobs for your tone prints and gain. So it's got a built-in tuner which can do a 6-string bass guitar if needed. I use my Boss tuner, so I don't really use it. It has a mute feature with their foot switch, so it's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna go through the 2 tone prints that I have on it. The first one is overdrive. So yeah, it's a good overdrive for a bass. I got cranked up this. I'm gonna kind of pull it down a little bit. It definitely kicks your volume up a lot. Alright, try the vibrato. flanger bass. Alright, and I said in my last video that that the jackhammer that I use can be a decent bass amp. You just gotta kind of turn down the gain. So I have it turned down already. I'm gonna let you hear a little bit of the jackhammer drive through this for bass. Bit of a fuzz in it, but it's a lot of pickup on it on the gain. That's why you gotta kind of turn the gain down enough to where it's not overwhelming. I mean, it is a regular guitar drive, but I mean, tweaked a bit, you can use it properly. Do a little vibrato with it. So yeah, that's just wanted to show how awesome this thing is. I mean, I think it's awesome. This is my first bass amp. I've played through a few different bass amps, but to me, this is a really, for the price that you can get for it, this thing is awesome. It also comes with like a 115, a 210, a 28. This one's a 112, but yeah, great amp. Highly recommend it if you're looking for a bass amp and you don't want to get nothing too expensive, but something that has enough power in it. Definitely try one of these out.